phenols. Please observe. This is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is stabilized by the resonance. Please observe. These bonding electrons shifting towards the in this negative, in this produce the positive negative formation of the double bond. Positive negative formation of the double bond. Okay, please observe double bond. And this is produce the positive charge. This is negative at the ortho position. Okay. Next, these electrons shifting towards the in this. This is negative. This is positive. Positive negative formation of the double bond. Any doubt? Lohita. Lohita. Okay. Please observe. This electron shifting towards the in this. This is negative charge. In this produce the positive charge. Positive charge, negative charge. Formation of the bond, double bond, O plus. Okay. This electron shifting towards the further in this carbon, the formation of bond. This is produce the negative charge. Produce the negative charge. Further, these electrons shifting towards this oxygen side. In this negative, in this produce the positive negative formation of double bond. This electron shifting towards the positive side to form O minus. Please observe double bond, and in this negative, in this positive formation of the double bond. This is called as the resonance. This is called as resonance. The phenoxide is resonance stabilized. Please observe, in this resonance structures, the electron density increase at ortho position and para position. And in phenoxide ion, electron density increase at ortho and para positions. The electron density increase means the adding of the electron withdrawing groups like NO2, cyanide, acid group, ester group. This type of groups attacking at the ortho and para positions. The acidic nature of the phenols are increases. Okay. Suppose electron releasing groups like methyl, methoxy, amine groups are adding at ortho and para positions. The electron density increase at ortho and para positions. The electron releasing groups like methyl, ethyl or methoxy group, amine groups are attacking. The acidic nature of phenols are decreases. Okay. Electron density increase at ortho, para, ortho positions in phenoxide ion. So electron withdrawing groups like nitro group, cyanide group, acid group or ester group type of groups, electron withdrawing groups attacking at ortho and para positions. Electron density increases. So acidic nature is increases. Electron releasing groups like methyl, ethyl, amine type of groups are attacking. The acidic nature is decreases. Okay, please note this. Students, are you understood? Okay, completed. Please observe. Electron withdrawing groups like NO2 cyanide ester type of groups presented ortho and para positions. Acidic nature of phenols are increases. Electron withdrawing groups acidic nature of phenol increases. Okay, electron withdrawing groups like NO2, CN and ester, SO3, it is. Okay, next, electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups like methyl, ethyl, methoxy, amine increases acidic nature of phenols decreases. Acidic nature of phenols decreases. Okay, I will explain one example. Suppose taken, this is phenol, this is present in the nitro group, and phenol and electron releasing group present in the methyl. Which is more acidic? Which is more acidic? First one is more acidic. Methyl groups, electron releasing groups. The electron releasing groups present in the phenol, the acidic nature of phenol is decreased compared with phenol. So this is the less acidic. This is the more acidic because present in the electron withdrawing group like NO2. Okay. Next. Suppose present in and the number of electron withdrawing groups increases, the acidic nature of phenols are increases. Suppose phenol present in the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. To next 2, 4 dinitrophenol. OH presented NO2, 2, 4. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4 dinitrophenol and OH presented nitrophenol. This is para-nitrophenol. This is present at the para. Which is more acidic? Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Which is more acidic? The first one is 3 withdrawing groups are present in phenol. The withdrawing groups increases. Acidic nature of phenols are increases. So first one is more acidic compared with the second one. Second one is more acidic compared with the third one. This is the acidic nature. acidic nature. అంటే number of withdrawing groups increases, acidic nature of phenols are increases. Acidic nature of phenols are increases. Okay. Suppose given ortho para positions present in the nitro groups. Suppose given in this, please observe OH NO2 group, OH present in the para position, para nitrophenol. Next, ortho nitrophenol, and this is meta nitrophenol. Meta nitrophenol. Meta nitrophenol. Meta nitrophenol. Okay, this is meta nitrophenol. This is first one, second one, third one. The acidic nature, electron withdrawing group present at the ortho and para positions. The acidic nature of phenols are increases. So the ortho and para position, more Ka value, less pK value. So these two are the more acidic compared with the meta position. Why? Because in phenol's resonance structure, phenoxide in resonance structure, electron density increases at ortho and para position. In meta position, electron density is less than the ortho and para position. So electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para, the acidic nature of the phenols are more compared with meta position present in withdrawing group. So the first one is more acidic compared with second one is more acidic compared with third one. That is, electron withdrawing group present at ortho and para positions are the more acidic. Please note this.
Excuse me, sir.
Any doubt?
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
Say.
సార్ మీరు కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్తున్నారంట, స్లో చెప్పమంటున్నారు సార్ పిల్లలు.
ఓకే మేడం.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Okay, once again explain. Okay, please note this. I will explain once again. Very, very important concept for acidic nature of phenols. Okay, completed. Okay, I will explain once again in acidic nature of phenols. Okay, please listen. Acidic nature of phenols. Please listen. One compound acid or base. How to determine one compound acid or base? Suppose one compound react with base to give salt and water. That compound is acid. Okay. Suppose phenol react with sodium hydroxide to give the phenoxide ion and water. So phenol are the acidic in nature. It is simple. I will explain once again. So suppose taken as phenol. Please listen. Phenol react with sodium hydroxide. Okay, to formation of the sodium phenoxide ion, ONA, and water. And this is the strong base. Strong base react with one compound to give salt and water. Salt and water. Salt means sodium phenoxide ion. So this is called as the acid. This acidic nature of phenols. Acidic nature of phenols. Due to the phenol formation of phenoxide ion, that phenoxide ion is stabilized by the resonance. And simply, this is phenol. This phenol in this oxygen hydrogen, which is more electronegative. Oxygen is more electronegative. The electron shifting towards the oxygen side. Okay, to formation of O minus and H plus. This is called phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized. Phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized. So phenols are the more acidic than the alcohols. So what is resonance structures of phenoxide ion? Resonance structures. Resonance structures of phenoxide ion. Please observe. Suppose take as a phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide ion. O minus. Okay. This is phenoxide ion. So this electron shifting towards in this. Okay. Electron shifting towards in this carbon to formation of the double bond. This electron shifting towards this one. This is negative. Formation of the double bond. Okay. This is negative. This is form double bond. Positive charge. Okay. Positive charge. These electrons shifting towards this carbon. This is negative. This is positive. So positive and negative formation of the double bond. Please observe. Negative, double bond, positive. Next, this electron shifted towards this carbon. This is negative. This is positive. Positive and negative formation of the double bond. Okay. Positive, negative formation of the negative. O plus, double bond, double bond. Okay. So these electrons shifting towards this side. This is positive, negative formation of the double bond. Okay, double bond. These are the resonance structures. In this observed resonance structures, this is electron density increase at ortho, para, ortho positions. Okay, suppose this is compound. This is compound. This is position is ortho. This position is meta. This position is para. This position ortho, meta. The electron density increase at ortho, para, ortho. The electron density increases. The electrons exercise. Suppose adding two groups, withdrawing group or releasing group. Withdrawing group means like NO2, cyanide, acid, ester type of groups. These groups are attacking, increasing electron density decreases. So acidic nature of phenols are increases. అంటే electron withdrawing groups are adding, acidic nature of phenols are increases. Suppose electron withdrawing groups, electron releasing groups adding, so electron releasing groups are adding, already electron density high, so electron releasing groups are adding to increase the electron more density, so acidic nature of phenols are decreases. అంటే electron withdrawing groups are adding, phenols are acidic nature increases, electron releasing groups are adding, acidic nature of phenols are decreases. Okay, suppose take one example, please observe, already explained. Suppose this is phenol present in the nitro group. Nitro group is electron withdrawing group. This is phenol, this is electron normal phenol, and adding methyl group, this is electron releasing group. Which is more acidic? Withdrawing group is containing phenol is more acidic compared with normal phenol. Phenol is more acidic than electron releasing group containing phenol. And the electron releasing group adding, acidic nature of phenols are decreases. Okay, suppose number of electron withdrawing groups are increases, the more acidic in nature. Suppose you take you take (2,4,6) trinitrophenol, that is called as picric acid. Without acid group, this is more acidic. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. So without acid group, but this is more acidic. 2,4. Please observe NO2, NO2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,4 dinitrophenol. Dinitrophenol. Next. Paranitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol and metanitrophenol. Metanitrophenol. Please observe. Paranitrophenol, orthonitrophenol, and metanitrophenol. Okay, which is more acidic? Which phenol containing more withdrawing group? That is more acidic. This phenol containing 3 withdrawing groups, so this is more acidic. Okay, this is containing 2 withdrawing groups. Compared to this one, this is more acidic. In this ortho and para is more acidic than ortho because formation of ortho effect. Okay, meta position, electron density less compared with ortho and para, so withdrawing group present at the meta position, acidic nature of phenols is less. Okay, this is the acidic nature order. Suppose electron releasing groups are present. Please observe. OH, this is present in the meta position, present at the para position, next present at the ortho position. So now this phenol containing electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups are present. The acidic nature of these phenols are less than the phenols, but in this meta position is more acidic than para. Para position is more acidic than ortho position. అంటే electron releasing groups increases, the acidic nature of phenols are decreases. Acidic nature of phenols are decreases. Please note this. Students, are you understood? Okay, completed. Next, esterification. Next chemical property, esterification. Esterification. దీన్ని Scott and Bowman reaction అంటాం. Scott and Bowman reaction. Scott and Bowman reaction. Esterification. So already studying in esterification in alcohols. In alcohols, alcohol react with acid to formation of ester. Similarly, phenols react with acid or acid derivatives like acid chlorides, acid anhydrides to give the esters. This reaction is called as Scott and Bowman reaction. Scott and Bowman reaction. In the phenol, C6, simply taken phenol. This is phenol. Phenol react with either acid or acid derivatives. Suppose react with acid CH3 COOH to give ester in presence of strong acid. Strong acid like in presence of H2SO4. Chanama ikkada OH H. H2O is removing to form COCH3. This is ester. This process is called as acetylation. Acetylation. COCH3 group adding on H plus. So this is called as acetylation. This is called acetylation. And take a benzene kabatti benzoylation. This reaction is called as benzoylation. Next, similarly, suppose phenol react with acid chloride CH3COCl in presence of strong acid. In this H replacement with COCH, esterification. OCOCH3 plus HCl. This is called as benzoylation. Okay, benzoylation. In presence of pyridine. Occurring in benzoylation. Pyridine absorbs the HCl. What is the role of pyridine? Pyridine is base. Pyridine absorbs the acid. So now to prepare the aspirin in this method, aspirin orthoacetyl salicylic acid is called aspirin, and the salicylic acid on acetylation in presence of an acid to form orthoacetyl salicylic acid, that is called as aspirin. So now salicylic acid salicylic acid react with salicylic acid on acetylation, on acetylation to form aspirin to form aspirin. Please listen. Suppose salicylic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. चलो ortho position hydroxy group. This is called orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is called as the salicylic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid name salicylic acid. This orthohydroxybenzoic acid on acetylation in presence of acetic anhydride, CH3COO twice O. This is acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Please listen. Acetic anhydride. This is acetic anhydride. CH3COO COCH3. Okay. This acetic anhydride breaking in this adding on H plus, this group is replace this H plus. This is orthoacetyl salicylic acid. Simply acid OH COCH3 plus acetic acid CH3COH plus CH3COH. This is orthoacetyl salicylic acid. Orthoacetyl salicylic acid. This is called as the aspirin. Okay, salicylic acid on acetylation to form aspirin. Salicylic acid means orthohydroxybenzoic acid on acetylation used as acetic anhydride, acetyl chloride, either acetic acid. Suppose taken as acetic anhydride at the ortho position OH group on acetylation to form orthoacetyl salicylic acid, that is called as aspirin. Okay, this reaction is called as Scotland-Bowman reaction or benzoylation. This reaction is benzoylation reaction. Okay, students, understood? Please note this. Okay, completed. Next, electrophilic substitution reactions in phenols. Electrophilic substitution reactions in phenol. Electrophilic substitution reactions in phenol. Electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol and of phenol. Okay. Electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. So now phenol, formation of phenoxide ion. Write the resonance structures of phenoxide ion at ortho and para position. Ortho and para position increase the electron density. Ortho and para position increases the electron density. So phenol is ortho para directing group. Phenol group is ortho para directing group. Means the electrophile attacking an ortho and para position. Okay. So electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction means one electrophile replace the another electrophile, or one electrophile substituted by the another electrophile. That reactions are electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, electrophilic substitution reactions mean one electrophile replaced by the another electrophile. In phenols, please observe, this is phenol. This is phenol. Okay, in phenol, this OH group activating the ortho and para positions. Activating group of ortho and para position. Activating ortho and para position means the electron density increases at ortho and para position. Please observe. Write down the phenoxide ion. O minus. Okay, O minus to H plus. Please observe. Already explained this resonance stabilization. Please observe, this electron shifting towards this carbon. This is negative. This electrons, this is positive. Positive negative formation of double bond. Okay. Next, further, these electrons shifting towards this carbon. This is negative. This is positive. Negative positive formation of double bond. Double bond. Double bond. This is negative. Okay. This electron shifting towards this carbon. This is negative positive. Negative positive formation of the double bond. Double bond, negative, positive. These electrons shift towards this side. This is bond, O minus. Please observe electron density. Density means electron excess at ortho position and para position. And a OH group is activating group at ortho and para position. And a electrophilic substitution reaction occurring at ortho para positions. Ortho para position. And a incoming electrophile. Incoming electrophile means suppose nitration NO2 plus. The NO2 plus attacking at ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. That is ortho para directing group. And a phenol is ortho para directing group. Ortho para directing group. Simply, suppose taken as a nitration. Nitration. What is nitration? Phenol react with nitration with dilute HNO3. Simply phenol. Please observe. Phenol. This is phenol. Phenol react with dilute HNO3. The incoming electrophile. Incoming electrophile is NO2 plus. This NO2 plus attacking at ortho position and para position. And to form para nitrophenol and ortho nitrophenol. To form. What is not clear? To form para nitrophenol and ortho nitrophenol. Okay, this is phenol. This phenol reacted with dilute HNO3. Dilute HNO3. The NO2 group, incoming electrophile is NO2 group, leaving electrophile is H plus. This is attacking actor. Ortho and para position. Para nitrophenol and ortho nitrophenol. Ortho nitrophenol. Para nitrophenol and ortho. This is para nitrophenol. This is ortho nitrophenol. Ortho nitrophenol. Please observe para and ortho nitrophenol. In this para nitrophenol is less boiling point, more steam volatile. And these two are the separated. Ortho nitrophenol and para nitrophenol separated by the steam volatile method. Steam volatile. And steam volatile means easily evaporated the ortho nitrophenol compared with para nitrophenol. And in para nitrophenol having more boiling point, less volatile due to the intermolecular hydrogen point. Please observe, identity more BP, more boiling point, less steam volatile. This is less boiling point, more steam volatile. Why? Because this is containing intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Explain this place. Please observe. This is ortho nitrophenol. OH and N double bond O. Please observe. Okay. In this present is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intra within the molecule hydrogen bonding. That is called as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding means less boiling point. Sorry, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, less boiling point, more volatile. Suppose para nitrophenol. This is para nitrophenol. OH N double bond O. NO2. Another para nitrophenol is taken. N double bond O OH. Please observe in this present in the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular and two different molecules. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond means association of the molecules. The molecular weight is increases. Molecular weight increase means boiling point also increases. Boiling point increase means this is the less volatile. Okay, ortho nitrophenol and para nitrophenol separated by the steam volatile method. Ortho nitrophenol is more volatile, less boiling point due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Para nitrophenol is more boiling point, less steam volatile due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding means these molecules are associated to increasing the molecular weight. Molecular weight increases means boiling point increases. Okay, this is the nitration. Okay, completed. Completed. Next, nitration lo dilute HNO3 to give para-nitrophenol ortho-nitrophenol. Suppose phenol react with concentration HNO3. Phenol react with concentrated HNO3. దాంట్లో నైట్రేషన్ లో సెకండ్ రియాక్షన్ taken as phenol. This is phenol. This is reacted with concentrated nitric acid. The concentration nitric acid, the electron density at the phenol increase at ortho, para, ortho positions. At the 3 positions are more electron density. The group 3 positions attacking on the electrophile of NO2 group in presence of concentration HNO2. NO2, NO2, NO2. 2, 4, 6 trinitro phenol. This is called as the picric acid. Picric acid. This is called as picric acid. Without acid group, acid avalante must should containing COH group. But without acid group, this is more acidic. Picric acid is without acid group, but more acidic because more electron withdrawing groups present in the phenol ring. Phenol ring. Okay. Completed. Next, చూడండి ఇందులో another reaction. Suppose phenol, taken phenol, this phenol react with sulfuric acid. Phenol react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. This sulfonic group attacking at ortho and para position. Ortho and para position. OH, SO3H and SO3H. At 2, 4 benzene phenol sulfonic acid. This is further on nitration, concentrated HNO3 to formation of the picric acid. This is also another method for the preparation of picric acid. This all the ortho para directing groups attacking at nitro group. NO2, NO2. This is 2, 4, 6 trinitro phenol. This is also another method for the preparation of picric acid. Okay, please note this. Okay, completed. Next, halogenation. Next electrophilic substitution reaction, halogenation. Halogenation, very important bit for JEE and NEET. Halogenation. 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 Halogenation was special studying in bromination. Phenol react with bromine. Phenol react with bromine with non-polar solvents. In presence of non-polar solvents like carbon disulfate. Okay, sorry. First, phenol react with bromine in presence of polar solvent like water. Polar solvent like water, 0 to 5 degrees temperature. This bromine attacking at ortho para positions. Phenol is highly activating group. So the phenol in phenol, bromine attacking at ortho para ortho positions. That 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. Tribromophenol. Suppose phenol react with bromine in presence of non-polar solvents or less polar solvents like carbon disulfate or carbon tetrachloride. Less polar solvents like carbon disulfate or carbon tetrachloride. The bromine attacking them selectively ortho position and para position to form para-bromophenol and ortho-bromophenol. Ortho-bromophenol, para-bromophenol. It's very important. Ortho-bromophenol. Okay, in presence of polar solvents, uncontrolled, all ortho-para positions attacking at bromine electrophile. In presence of non-polar solvents or less polar solvents, the bromine selectively attacking at para position and ortho position. Okay, para bromophenol and ortho bromophenol. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, next class will continue. Okay.